Hey yo, what's up trader? How are y'all today? Okay, so today actually I'm going to share with y'all something that's very relatable in terms of what has been happening these past few days is regards to the tariff. Okay, so with regards to the tariff, I'm going to actually share with you all some of the thoughts that I have in terms of having a scenario play. That means it's like, what if the US domestic backlash process actually partially cause a reversal in this tariff? So these are just a role play scenario disclaimer. It is not something that's happened. It's just that yeah, we can actually prepare ourselves sometimes to role play what will be happening, like what if this happened, what if that happened, then what can we do, things like that. Okay, so today we'll be on this topic, and then let's move on to this topic proper. So what can be the potential triggers, right, for this topic of the backlash? And potential trigger is actually the high inflation in the US domestic market itself. So if there's high inflation in the US, people are not happy and stuff like that. But actually, in fact, this has been already happening in parts of the US already, and because they actually foresee that because of the tariff and all that from China, I mean not from, I mean yeah, both from China and US. This actually because of them importing a lot of stuff from China, and yeah, because China is actually the global sort of like the manufacturing factory, right? And yeah, things will get more expensive, people won't be happy and all that. And secondly, there could be also major job losses that could be happening down the road, and then also severe impact on the key sectors as well, key industry of the US. Then with this trigger, right, what will naturally, I mean, happen is that there could be a potential reversal, not that it's 100%, but it could be a reversal. And what actually could happen is that there could be a selective rollback where like which tariff, there could be baseline, there could be things that is work around, and then also there could be temporary suspension of this or even a removal of this tariff itself. Okay, so that is just a possible scenario play. And then of course, what will be the market reaction? So market reaction in terms of the stock market, you can see temporary relief rally, and then this rally it could be quite substantial. And then reason being is because people actually get a feel that there's a reduction of this immediate uncertainty, right? But of course, this is just the immediate effect. It is not like this fear of this tariff won't be coming back in with Trump being the president, right? Anything can happen. And then lastly, what is the impact for Singapore? So in Singapore sense, right, there could be partial easing of the cost, which is related to this tariff. And then of course the lingering uncertainty with the policy reverse again and other stuff, right? It will still remain, but yeah, for the time being, it could be temporary relief. Okay, then last but not least, what should we do or what could we do, right? Something like this. So first of all, of course, you monitor the price changes of, like, say, the things that you want to buy. Then of course, when it's at a discount or lower price, then of course you want to buy them. Then of course, in terms of like long-term investment or long-term spending or purchases, right? Like let's say a house and all that. Maybe you want to hold on to the purchasing of the house because nobody know if this thing could develop into a recession, right? So yeah, cash is still king when especially when it's crisis. So then of course, if let's say you are doing investment long term, of course it's not to avoid it totally, but this could be just a small bump or just yeah, a small reversal upwards. If you want, you can go in segment by segment, yeah, invest bit by bit into the market. Then of course, not to say that you will totally miss out the whole thing and all that. And then of course, not to put in everything that you have into the investment of, let's say, your stock market, because yeah, things can change and you won't know. Okay, so it's to be playing safe on the other end. Then of course, lastly, also be mindful of the potential policy shift, right, that it could be evolving over time. Okay, so these are the things that I wanted to share across today and what are my thoughts, and yeah, the role play of what if. So if you are interested in finding out more about trading itself, technical analysis and all that, do follow me in my channel. Thank you.